How to edit vertical videos in Reelshot. Want to make perfect vertical videos? Here's how to edit vertical videos on Reelshot. First, open your project and tap the canvas or aspect ratio button. Select 9:16 ratio for vertical videos. It is ideal for stories or reels. Upload your clips or trim them to fit the vertical frame perfectly. Use pins or drag gestures to adjust the clip position inside the frame. Add text, stickers, or effects designed for vertical layouts. Review your video and save or export when happy with the results. Do you create vertical videos often? Tell us your editing tips in the comments below. Keep important content centered to avoid cropping on social platforms. And that's how you can edit vertical videos in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.